concentrate even one single problem is done, that is okay. So you
Okay.
had to be like sure about this process of how to solve this. So let us write
Inverse
this
matrix.
matrix and try to find the inverse. I'll tell you entire
Okay.
process. Okay. So with a trick
Okay.
and technique, everything, not this elementary transformation method. There is a different method. So that I will teach
Okay.
you. Now let's write 3 minus 1 minus 2. So
Yeah.
yesterday what we
Mm.
have done is a 2 by 2 matrix. Today we'll do 3 by 3 matrix. Let's write the matrix first. A is 3 minus 1 minus 2. What are the next elements?
Um,
I'll read 2 0 minus 1 and 3 minus 5 0.
2 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. Okay, I wrote it down.
Okay. 2 0
0 minus
minus 1 3
3 minus 5 0.
minus 5 0. Let's write the matrix. So after this we have to find inverse of the matrix. So how to find the inverse? There is a method called the inverse of the matrix is defined as A inverse is equal to 1 by det A times adjoint of A. This is how
A
inverse of the matrix.
minus
1 by det A
1 by
det
A.
A into adjoint A. If we solve this one
Okay.
problem, it is sufficient today. I feel so.
Okay.
Because that is a
It's
big,
that big?
yeah, that's big problem.
Oh.
Yeah, it is big, but stepwise we'll solve. One by one, you have to understand and then we have to solve. Okay.
Okay.
Now, det A process is little bit different for a 3 by 3 matrix and adjoint A process is different for a 3 by 3 matrix.
Okay.
Okay. And now 2 by 2 yesterday what we have solved, and this is a 3 by 3 type. So how do we solve this? So what is
Okay.
det A part? First we have to solve det A. Det A should
Yeah.
not be equal to 0. Either it is a 2 by 2 or 3 by 3.
Yeah.
This process you have to remember. Now how to find the det A? So we'll write this 3 minus 1 minus 2, 2
Oh.
0 minus 1, 3
Yeah.
minus 5
Minus 5
0.
0.
So this is what we have. Now what you have to do is you strictly follow this process. Put a
Okay.
plus minus plus on the first row.
Okay.
Put a plus minus plus
Minus
on the top.
S.
Okay, step by step. Now what I do? You first write 3
Yeah.
and close the column where 3 is present. I'll repeat again.
Okay.
Close the column with your hand where 3 is present, and
Okay.
close the row where 3 is present.
Okay.
Close the column and close the row where 3
Okay.
is present.
Okay.
Now 3 is having which sign? Plus sign.
Yes.
Say put plus 3.
Okay.
And after that, leaving this 2, you get a 2 by 2 matrix. 0
Yeah.
minus 1 minus 5 0. 0 minus 1 minus 5 0. Got it?
We did this for some. I forgot which question.
We did this
We
actually.
did the.
We did this.
Yeah.
Somewhere I did. We did this. I don't remember where we did.
Yeah.
Even I'm not getting. Somewhere we did. I think it
Yeah.
functions. I think
Yeah.
it
No.
functions we did.
No functions. Yeah, I think functions. Yeah.
Functions, I think, if I remember. Somewhere we did this already. So this is what is called det. And now you see, and here minus of. So next we'll put minus sign. Next minus sign will come.
Okay.
Minus sign.
Of.
Later,
Okay.
later. This is minus of minus 1 into. And again, leave the row and column where minus 1 is present.
Is present.
So 2 minus 1, 3 0.
Yeah.
2 minus 1, 3 0. 3 0. This is the next part. Okay, ma.
Yeah.
Next is plus
Next
plus
2
minus 2.
plus minus.
Plus next is plus minus plus will come.
Minus.
Whatever the number is there, that number you have to write.
Yeah.
And leave the column and row where minus 2 is present. So
Yeah.
then you get 2, 0, 3,
2
0, 3 minus 5.
2 0
2,
3 minus.
0, 3 minus 5. This is what you get.
Mm.
Now solve it. If you remember, you can solve this, right? So it is
Yeah.
AD minus BC afterwards.
This and that.
Yes. It's AD minus BC
0
afterwards.
into 0.
0.
0
So
into
it is 3
0
into
minus
0,
0
minus 5 into
minus
minus 1 is plus 5.
plus
So you
5.
get minus 5.
5.
Okay. Next, minus of
into
minus is
minus
plus 1 into 0 plus 3.
1.
So here plus 3 will come.
0 minus of
Minus 3, right?
which is
Plus 3.
Yeah.
Next, this is minus 10 into minus 2. That is plus 20.
So it's minus 2. Isn't plus and minus? Oh, okay. It's
So minus
multiplied.
2 minus 10. This is 0.
Okay. Minus 2 into minus.
Minus 2 into minus 10, that is plus 20.
Okay. So minus 15
So you have minus 15 plus 3 plus
minus
20. Plus 20. Plus 20.
Plus 20.
So it is 5 plus 3, that is 8. So det A value I got 8.
Det A value is 8. The down part. Okay.
Yeah, the down part we got. First, det A is 8. Det A is non-zero. So inverse exists. So we'll write inverse will exist. Okay.
Okay.
Clear, Amma?
Inverse.
This is the part 1. This is the easiest part, I tell you, in this problem. Easiest part of the problem is finding the det.
Det.
So
This is easy. We also did it.
We did this. We did this somewhere. I don't remember. Even I don't recollect. But we did this.
I think in functions. Relations and functions.
Relations and functions. I think we did there only. We did there, if I remember. Later, slowly we'll recollect. No issues. So now, the biggest, toughest part. So we'll remove this.
Okay.
The next part is finding adjoint. For that, we have to employ adjoint A. ADJA. That is called adjoint.
Okay.
For that, it is a multi-step process.
Oh.
Multi-step process. But it's all
But if there is only 2 matrix, I don't have to do this.
What 2 matrix? I don't get.
Like if
2
there is only 2
2
rows and
is
2
easy.
columns.
Yeah, that is a 2 by 2. 2 by 2 matrix is straight.
That for that I have to use the other one.
You directly use
Not
the formula,
this.
it is done.
Formula, yeah, okay.
That is done. That is not an issue. For 3 by 3, you had to be like, you had to toil a little bit. Now, you have this A. This A part also we will remove. Now, this matrix is there.
Yeah.
Now, you see what I'll do. Remove this part.
Okay.
Remove this part. Okay, 3 minus 1 minus 2, 2 0 minus 1, 3 minus 5 0. Is there? You make another copy of the same matrix at the bottom.
Okay.
3 minus 1 minus 2, 2 0 minus 1, 2 0 minus 1, 3 minus 5 0, 3 minus 5 0. You make the same copy on the side. 3 minus 1 minus 2, 2 0 minus 1, 3 minus 5 0, 3 minus 5 0. Next, 3 minus 1 minus 2. Same thing you had, right? 3 minus 1 minus 2. 2 0 minus
Again?
1. Again, yes. 3 minus 5 0.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you
Yeah.
have written this. Clear? Up to here is clear. Whatever the matrix
Yeah.
is there, you have to make 3 copies. Like that, you make it a square kind of thing. Big square.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now the most funniest part. Now you see what we do. You strike off all the edges.
Okay.
Strike off all the edges. Strike off all the edges. Strike it off.
Yeah.
Now we write a matrix called COFA. That's called cofactor matrix of A. COFA. So what you had to do? Simply COFA.
Yeah.
For this, if you take the transpose, you get the adjoint. Okay, what we do? You just have to do AD minus BC everywhere. 0 minus 5.
Okay.
So the first element is minus 5. Next, the second element, like this. So this is the second element. So this is minus 3. Okay, ma? The third element. Third element. That is minus 10. Got it?
Yeah.
Minus 10. Clear? Now,
Yeah.
do this. Next. Minus 5 into minus 2. That is plus 10. This is anyway 0. Right? This is 10. The anyway that is 0. Now, 0 minus of minus 6, that is plus 6. Okay. And now, minus 3 minus 15. So it is minus 18. Minus 3 plus 15. Minus 3 plus 15, right? So it is 15 minus 3, that is 12. So it is 12 here. Clear? Now, let's move on. Now, the third row. This is 1. This is 1.
1
Minus
1.
4. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3. That is minus 1. And then this is 0 plus 2. Right?
Yeah.
Plus 2. Got the cofactor matrix A.
Yeah.
Straight away we have written this.
Yeah.
Clear? One by one. Stepwise.
Okay.
Now, slowly. So you have to be like well versed in this. You have to learn the process. We'll solve as many as we can using the same process. So here we go. And after this cofactor matrix of A, find the transpose of this cofactor matrix. That is A transpose.
Okay.
This cofactor A transpose, that is cofactor matrix transpose. Okay.
Okay.
So for this, can you write the transpose? That is what is adjoint A. This is what is adjoint A. Okay. So 5 minus 5, 10, 1.
10, 1.
Minus 5, 10, 1. That means rows
Minus
as columns,
3.
columns as rows.
Yeah.
Minus 3,
3,
6, minus 1. Minus 3, 6, minus 1. Next. Minus 10, 12, 2.
12.
Minus 10, 12, 2. Got it?
Yeah.
Now you got this adjoint A. Now A inverse is 1 by det A times adjoint A.
Minus 1
So you had to
by
divide everything with 8. Divide
8.
everything with 8. Yeah, det A is 8, right? 1 by det
8.
A is 1 by 8.
Yeah, we got 8. Yeah.
1 by 8. So
1
you
by
got
8.
to divide everything with 8. That's it. Minus 5 by 8. Minus 10 by,
Okay.
so it is
5,
10 by
5,
8.
10
So 1
by
by
8.
8. So like this, that's it.
1 by
Minus 3 by 8.
8.
6 by 8.
6 by 8.
Minus 1 by 8.
Minus 1 by 8.
Minus 10 by 8.
Plus 1 by
12
8.
by 8. And 2 by 8. Later you can cancel the things whichever is applicable.
Things. Okay.
This is what
So
is the inverse.
inverse for
Inverse of the matrix
by
A,
T
what we
matrix.
started with.
Yeah.
Little bit difficult process, little bit complicated process. Little bit complicated. The process is little bit complicated. We are prone to get the mistakes
But
here. Why? Because this is involves a lot of addition, subtraction, calculation stuff.
numbers. Yeah.
It involves a lot of calculation
And one
stuff.
mistake, everything
One
will
mistake,
go
everything is gone. We got it. Minus 5 by 8, 1 by 8, everything we got it clearly. That's a required matrix. So this is A inverse. See, minus 5 by 8. 5 by 4 is 10 by 8. Right,
Yeah.
1 by 8, we got everything right. No issues. Later when you cancel, you will get this.
Get that.
You cancel the numbers, you will get it. Not an issue.
Yeah.
Clear, Amma? We'll solve one
Yeah.
more. Yeah.
Okay.
That's a process. For a 3 by 3, this is the process. Clear?
First,
Now,
we have to find delta A.
Yeah, one by one. We'll solve more as much as we can. Now, find the inverse of the following matrices using elementary transformations. We'll use the formula to solve this. First, you learn the formula. Later, we'll see the elementary transformations. Let's see the formula first. 7, 1, 4 minus 3.
Okay.
So the 2 by 2 matrix. So we had to solve
7, 1,
4 minus 3.
4 minus 3.
7, 1, 4 minus 3. Isn't it interesting?
We should use that method.
Which one? 2 by 2. 2 by 2, what is the method? What is the 2 by 2 method?
2 by 2 method
A inverse
is
1 by det A times the formula is same. 1 by det A times adjoint A, but here the det A is 1 by AD minus BC D A minus B minus C. This is the method. So let's give the values. That's it. A is 7. B is 1. C is 4. D is minus 3. A, B, C, D. That's it. This is A, B, C, D. These are the values. Just give the values and give the answer. So A inverse is 1 by det A. That is, det A is AD. That is, just do this. Minus 21. Minus BC. Minus 4. Into DA. That is, exchange these two. That is minus 3 and 7. Let's exchange these two. And again, minus 1, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 4. That's all you have. This is straightforward. So this is minus 1 by 25. Minus 1 by 25. That is minus 3, minus 1, minus 4, 7. So 1 by 25, you just multiply inside. Minus 1 by 25, you multiply inside and give the answer.
Inside, you get the answer.
Yeah, give the answer.
Minus 3 by minus.
So the final answer should be like
3 by 25.
So here we go.
1 by 25.
So A inverse is, we'll write 3 by 25 and 1 by 25.
4 by
and
25
this is 4 by 25.
Minus 7 by 25.
4 by 25 and minus 7 by 25. That's the answer.
25.
That's the required answer. Clear?
Yeah.
Clear? Now let's solve another question. let's solve another question. Now 1 6 minus 3 5.
1 6 minus 3
5.
5.
So we have the matrix
So
A is equal to
A
1
equal
6
to I
minus
by
3
A
5. Got to solve this. So
minus
A inverse
A
is 1 by
A
det A times adjoint A. So
is
that
equal
here in the
to
2 by 2
1 by
matrix, 1 by AD
AB
minus BC
minus B. D
into
minus B
D
minus
A minus B minus C.
B.
So we got to plug in the things.
Equal
So
to
A
1 by
inverse
5.
happens to be 1 by 5 plus 18, right? 6 3 is
18.
18.
Yeah.
So that's gone. And then DA, that is 5 1,
5
and my minus 6 plus 3.
minus 6 plus 3.
So that's it. And then 18 plus 5, that is
23.
23. So you
So
have
5 by
5 by
23
23 minus 6 by
minus 6 by
23
23.
and 3 by 23,
23.
and you have
1
1
by
by
20.
23 as the answers. Yeah, let's move on. Another question we'll solve.
Yeah.
Next one. 5 10 3 6. Okay, let's solve this one also too.
5, 10,
A is equal
3.
to 5 10 3 6. So this one we cannot
1
solve
by
because you see this. What is det A? 30 minus 30. You got a singular matrix. A inverse
oh
is
yeah,
not possible. First you had to check
possible.
this one.
Yeah,
Not possible. Because det
30
A is 0. A inverse is not
0.
possible. Right? It's a singular
Yeah.
matrix. It's a
Singular matrix.
singular matrix. So det A is not possible. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's clear this. Now let's move on. Now we have the 3 by 3, the big guns. So let's solve this. 1 3 minus 2.
1,
Oh, the
3.
matrix is over after this. Okay. That's fantastic. Yeah. 1 3 minus 2. We'll do that.
2, 1, 0.
So A
1, 3
is
minus 2.
1 3 minus 2
Minus 3, 0, minus 1.
minus 3 0 minus 1
2, 1, 0.
2 1 0. Okay, let's start. So the first step is that what we had to do, let's write the formula. A inverse is equal to 1 by det A times adjoint A. So this one we have to keep in mind. 1 by det A times adjoint A. So we'll write this formula. So let's keep it aside. Now what I have to do? So first find what is det A. So det A is 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 0 minus 1 2 1 0. So let's find this. So what we have to do? Plus minus plus. First put these sides. And now I have plus 1 into, leave the row and column where 1 is present.
0 minus
0 minus 1 1 0.
1 0.
So I'll do it directly. 0 into 0, that is I'll get plus 1 anyway here if I do this. So we'll do it directly. The next one is minus 3.
3
minus 3 into
minus 0.
0
minus 2.
minus 2. That is minus of minus is plus.
Minus.
AD minus BC.
Okay.
When you are doing AD minus BC,
Okay.
minus of minus is you get plus.
Plus
And now the third one is again you get minus 2. Plus into minus
minus
is minus. So it is minus 2 times.
minus 2.
And again leave this. And that is minus 3, 0.
Oh,
So it is
minus
minus 3.
plus
So you
0
have the
into
answer
1.
det A as, so it is 1
1
minus 6
minus 6
plus 6.
plus
So
6.
what you have is 1. Det A value is 1.
1.
Det A value 1 is not going to bother. Now the thing
Yeah.
is that when you find the adjoint A, that's the answer. Because det A value is 1.
1.
Right. Det A
Okay.
value you got 1. So whatever the
Yeah.
answer you are going to get, that is for adjoint A, that's the answer for you.
Okay.
And now, so our quest is to solve the adjoint A now. So for that, what you had to do?
Left and right and 3 you have
Yes,
to write the
you
same.
have to make the square of the copies, 3 copies of the same matrix, what we have to do.
Yeah.
So let's do that. So slowly you can do that, no issues.
1.
Even one small mistake will hamper everything. So you have to be literally careful, but you can do it literally quick, but you have to gain the experience. 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 1, minus 3, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0. 2, 1, 0. Next one. 1, 3, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 2, 3, 0, minus 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 3, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 1, minus 3, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0.
2, 1, 0.
1, 0. You have this. And now what you had to do? Strike off the edge.
It's minus 3.
Did I do any mistake anywhere?
The second, I think in the second, on the right side.
Here. This one? Minus 3, right? Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Minus 3, 0, minus 1. Okay, fine. 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0. Okay. 1, 3, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 2. Minus 3, 0, minus 1, minus 3, 0, minus 1. 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0. Everything is fine, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So let us strike off the edge. So this time we'll do it in a different color. So striking off the edge, we'll do it the black pen. Strike off the entire edge. Delete the entire edge. Why we are striking off the entire edge is that edge numbers you don't consider at all. Okay. So that's why we strike off the entire edge. So after striking off the entire edge, what we get? Cofactor matrix of A.
Yeah.
We get what we get is cofactor matrix of A. So as it is. So this will leave. This is nothing. This is a trick actually. So this is nothing to do with anything. It's just a trick. Writing 4 copies. This is not a matrix or something. It's a trick to find the cofactor matrix of A. So the first one. 0 minus of minus is plus. So 1 I get. Okay. Now the second element is minus 2. Third element. That is 1. Minus 3. First part is over. So because it is 0 anyway. This part is 0, right? Now.
Yeah.
So this is minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Now the next one. This is 0. This is minus 2 into 2. That is minus 4. Minus of minus is plus. So this is plus 4. Now 2, 3, 6. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5.
5.
Yeah. Now Next one. So it is minus 3, 0. So it is
0.
minus 3, right? So it
Yeah.
is minus 2 into minus 3, that is plus 6,
Minus
plus 6
plus
plus
6.
1, that is plus 7. Okay, ma? This is plus 6.
Yeah.
Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So
Minus.
6 plus 1 is 7.
Okay.
So this is 0. 1 into 0 is 0.
0.
Minus 3 into
Minus
plus 3. That is minus 9. Minus of minus is plus.
9.
So it
Plus
is 9. Clear?
9.
Everything?
Yeah.
Now cofactor matrix of A is also constructed. Now what I have to do?
To
Write the
into it with 1, but then it's the same.
and then into 1 is the same matrix. So it's not going
Same
to
answer.
change. So the
Change.
only thing is what you have to do is you have to take the transpose of the cofactor matrix. So let's write
Yeah,
the
transpose.
transpose.
Yes. 1.
You have to write the transpose. So that is when you take the transpose, that is adjoint
Or
A is nothing but cofactor matrix of A whole transpose. For this matrix, what you got to take the transpose.
okay.
And now that is 1 minus 2 minus 3.
2 minus 3.
1 minus 2 minus 3.
Minus 2, 7.
Minus 2, 4, 7. Minus 2, 4, 7. Minus 3, 5, 9. Minus 3, 5, 9. That's the adjoint A. You know, A inverse is 1 by det A times adjoint A. Since the det A value is 1 only, so A inverse is adjoint of A. And this is our required matrix. This is our A inverse.
Sure.
Because det A is 1, adjoint A is equal to A inverse. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. I thought this will take an hour, but it happened so quick. That means the actually the matrix what they have given is a very easy one. That's the reason. So we have 3, 0, minus 1. So let's solve
0
this.
minus 1.
So
3, 0 minus 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
3, 0 minus
3, 0, minus 1.
2, 3, 0.
2, 3, 0. Because 0 is given, that is getting easy actually. Okay. 2, 3, 0. Next.
0, 4, 1.
0, 4, 1. 3 zeros are given. So that's very easy to find the inverse. Now the first part is to find the det A.
Yep.
So
Plus,
let's solve this. So here we put, so det A means we'll write this plus minus plus, plus minus plus. So we'll solve it just like that here itself.
3
Okay.
minus 3.
So you can give a try. So it is 3 times
1, which is 3. So it will be minus 4 into
3
0.
times
0,
3. So that is 0. 0 will not come into the picture at all because 0 into anything is 0. So here
0,
you get minus 1. So
minus
0 part
1.
you need not touch the 0 part. So the minus 1 into, you have 8. 8.
8?
Yeah, 8.
Oh yeah. 4 into
2 4 8, right?
But
yeah.
Oh yeah, 0. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, 0 part is over. 0 part you need not touch. 0 into anything is 0. You need not touch that.
0, yeah. Yeah, okay.
Okay, right. So this is 9 minus 8, which is 1. Again, det A you got 1.
1. So we don't need
So you don't have to worry again. Your adjoint A will do the everything job, right?
Yeah.
So we have to see the adjoint A part. So now
you have to write it all.
Write it all the 4. So we'll write all the 4. So here we go. So once again we have to write the matrix. So here is minus 1. Okay. Now this one. Okay. I had to do. Now I'm carefully removing the things. And now 3, 0,
0,
minus 1,
minus 1,
2, 3, 0, 0, 4,
0,
1, 0, 4, 1. And again 3, 0,
3,
0, minus 1, 2, 3, 0.
0, 0, 4, 1.
And next is 0, 4, 1. 0, 4, 1.
Yeah.
Next
And
3,
3,
0,
0,
minus
minus
1. And again make a copy once again. 3, 0, minus 1.
1.
See, you what I wish to tell is you don't practice this thing for months together.
Yeah.
Students does the same mistake. You solve some hardly 15-20 questions you solve. That's after that you had
Yeah.
to really remember the thing, and then you had to apply whenever you
Yeah.
can, right? You had to
Yeah.
concentrate on other things. So
Yeah. Like
what
harder
is
one.
there in
Like,
you see, Aditya, what is there maximum in this? Very easy, right?
only addition,
Only
subtraction,
addition,
division.
subtraction. You are not learning anything new. Actually, some technique you are
Yeah.
learning. That's it. Done. So I don't have to
Yeah.
spend too much time on this. Particularly, I tell you, I have seen
Yeah.
the students losing time here. Don't lose the time here. That's what I want to tell.
Yeah.
One trick. This is sufficient. This will do.
Just the
Don't worry about the
formula,
element.
like
Yeah.
sums, and then
Don't worry
before
about
the
the element.
exam.
Now at this
Yeah.
moment, don't worry about the elementary operation. That we have to see last, maybe 10
Yeah.
days before the exam. We'll see that.
Exam. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't even look at it. 10 days before
Yeah.
the exam, we'll see that. So we'll see this. So we'll strike off the edge as usual.
Yeah.
So we'll strike off the edge.
So we get this into this.
We have struck off the edge. Clear? Clear about this? And again,
Yeah.
write the cofactor matrix of A.
3 into 1.
So can you do that?
Yeah.
3 into 1.
3 into
That is
1.
3.
3.
3.
And 0 into 0. And
the next
1.
part is 0. That is 2 into 1. What you get is minus 2 here.
Minus 2.
0 minus 2, right? So it is minus
0
2.
minus.
Yeah.
And 4 into 2, 8.
Yeah.
Minus. And then 4 into 1. 4. Then 1 into 3.
That is 8.
1 into 3. 3. 1 into 3.
That is minus 4.
Minus 4. And then 3. And 3.
Minus 4.
12.
3. Yeah.
8.
0. This is minus 12.
0 into 0. So minus 3.
And you have plus 3.
Plus 3, sorry.
You have plus 3.
Minus. Then 9.
This is
minus 2. 2.
minus 2.
Minus 2.
And then you have 9.
And then 9.
This is the cofactor matrix.
Then you have to transport it. Transport matrix.
Transpose, take the transpose of this matrix.
3 minus 4, 3. And then minus 2, 3, minus 2. And then becomes 8 minus 12, 9. That's all we have to do. Because
Yeah,
1, we don't have.
if you find find the transpose, that's it. That's your A
Yeah.
inverse. Because det A is 1 anyway. Since det A is 1, adjoint A is equal to A inverse. So you will find the transpose.
Yeah.
We'll find the transpose. We'll find the transpose. Transpose of this.
3 minus 4, 3.
3 minus 4, 3.
Minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 3, minus 2.
Minus 2, 3, minus 2.
8
8
minus
minus
12,
12, 9.
9.
8 minus 12, 9.
9.
Okay, ma?
Yeah.
Really cool. And now I have one small exercise for you.
Okay.
What is that exercise is? What is the matrix A we started?
Matrix A.
Yeah. Can you read out
Like
the
the
starting matrix for which we found the inverse? So
this
that is
one?
3, 0, minus 1. Starting matrix.
Yeah.
So 3, 0, minus 1.
Oh, 2, 3, 0.
0, minus 1.
2, 3, 0.
2, 3, 0.
2,
Which one?
3, 0. 2, 3, 0 and 0, 4. No.
2, 3, 0 and 0, 4, 1.
1.
Right? So you find what is A times A inverse. Try it out.
A into A.
Yeah,
Inverse.
A into A inverse. This exercise you have to do. This gives a confirmation. You have to get an identity matrix.
A into
A inverse.
I have to multiply this with this.
Yeah, you got to multiply these two matrices. Oi, just a minute, just a minute. My daughter is.
Okay. So 3 into 3. So I'll get 3 into 3 is a 9. Plus.
My daughter opened the fridge and she is pouring water out of it. My God. Okay. Right. Can you give a try? A times A inverse?
Yeah, 3 into 3 is a 9 and 3 into 3 is a 9 and then you'll get 0 into minus 2. No.
So we'll do that. So 3 into 3, what you had to do is like, we'll write this matrix on this side so that you will understand much better.
3 into 3, 9 and 0 into minus 2, which is 0.
We'll do 3, 0, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 4, 1.
Yeah.
0, 4, 1. Let's write like this. And now we have to multiply these two. 3 into 3.
9.
Right. 0 into minus 2. That is 0. Minus
0.
1 into 8.
8.
That is minus 8. Okay, ma? Like this. Now, second element. 3 into minus 4.
Minus 4.
That is minus 12.
Minus 12.
0 into 3.
0 into 3.
Minus 1 into
minus
plus 12.
1 into
That is plus 12.
plus 12.
Okay, ma? Next.
0.
3. Later we'll write. Later we'll write. On the top of it we'll write. 3 into 3. 9.
9.
9.
0 into
0. And again, minus 1 into 9. That is minus 9. Okay. First row you see 9 minus 8, 1. 0, 0. This is what I got in the first row.
Yeah, 1
Now,
0 0.
yeah. Now,
Second.
2 into 3, 6.
2 into 3.
2 into 3, 6, right? So we
Yeah,
have
2 into
6.
3, 6.
And
then
3 into
into
minus 2, that is minus 6. And 0 into 8 is 0. Now,
yeah, 0 into
2 into minus
3.
4, that is minus 8.
Minus 4, yeah.
2 into minus 4, that is minus 8. 3 into
3
3,
into 3.
that is plus 9.
Plus 9.
Next is 0, right?
0.
So here I got
So, yeah.
0, 1 already. You will get 0 here. You see this. 2
3
into
into
3, 6. Minus
Yeah.
6, right? 6 minus 6 we
Yeah.
got. That is anyway 0. Clear? This part?
Okay.
Now, let's try the next one. This is
Is it going to be
0, 0, 1. You
0
will
0
get 0, 0, 1. Just check
0
it.
0 1?
0 into 3, 0.
3 0.
Minus 8 plus 8.
3 plus
Minus 8
0.
plus 8. 0 here. Now, 0,
4.
12 minus 12. 12 minus 12. Again 0.
Yeah.
0, 4 into minus 2. That is minus 8.
Plus 8.
And 1 into 9. Plus 9. Minus 8 plus 9. Again 1. So you got them identity matrix. You see this?
Yeah.
1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So whatever the inverse you got, you have to, if you multiply the inverse with the original matrix, A times A inverse, that should give you I. You should end up with this matrix.
Diagonal, principal diagonal.
Yeah, principal diagonal will be 1, 1, 1 and this 0, 0, 0. This is called identity
1, 1.
matrix.
Okay.
This is called identity matrix.
Okay.
So you will end up with that.
Okay.
Okay? Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is how we solve the inverse of the matrix. I hope it's easy for you.
Yes.
I hope it became easy for you. And sufficient today.
Yeah.
So the matrices is over. We'll close the session today, Aditi. So this part is over. We will go through the next chapter. I think that next chapter, let's check what is the next chapter. Next chapter will be, check it.
Next chapter, I think it's algebra.
But it will take more time, but it was so easy. The next chapter is, I will see what is the next chapter.
Algebra.
So you have a lot of exercise here. You can find the inverses. If you wish, you can do. Okay, we have some answers over here. Terminal exercise. Terminal exercise, you can give a try. This matrices because it is possible. Next is the determinants.
Okay.
Next topic is determinants. you can give a try and solve the determinants initially. Okay. So I told you the process, how to solve the dead process, right?
Yeah.
So you can give a try of solving the initial exercise. You see this, find the value of x. Okay, this anyway, I will deal with this. So it's very simple. So I will deal with this. How find the value of x. These are the determinants type. So determinants is the next chapter what we deal. So give a practice of these questions what we have solved. And now be clear about the 3 by 3 matrix, how to solve. And then if you have any doubts, you can reckon back to me. Okay, ma. Take care. Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you.